Matters Technology. We are now joined by Anand Mohan, the Chief Executive Officer in charge of digital business at the Techno Group, and quite exciting times for the ICT space, Mohan.
Yes, absolutely. It's very, very exciting.
Perhaps, how is the experience so far in terms of the tech landscape in East Africa? Are we seeing growth? Is the area buzzing?
Yeah, definitely the tech space in Kenya and East Africa, across Africa, is very, very exciting. Industry is full of action, especially in the areas of digital technologies, in the artificial intelligence, in the virtual reality space, the fintech, including the blockchain. And these technologies are really, really disrupting various industries that include agriculture space. There's a lot of artificial intelligence and machine learning that is being built in to help farmers and agriculture space. And the technologies such as distributed ledgers and payment gateways in the fintech space, and also the Internet of Things, which are helping telecom companies, logistics companies, retail companies. So these digital technologies are really, really exciting. And we have experienced, I have personally seen the largest telecom company in the country is implementing robotic process automation for all their processes, improving the efficiencies. And I've also seen the airline company, which is moving on to providing digital interfaces on social media channels like Telegram and WhatsApp, and many more such exciting stuff.
All right. Quite exciting, as you're saying. And as we look forward to better days for the technology landscape, perhaps talk to us about your recent achievement in regards to delivering value in the Kenyan market.
Sure. Techno is a Pan-African digital technology solutions company, been operating for the last 22 years, stationed here and providing solutions and present in many other African countries. Recently, we have been apprised at CMMI Level 5, that is the highest quality standard for any software company can achieve in the world, which stands for Capability Maturity Model for Integrated Level 5. It's originally developed by Software Engineering Institute, today part of ISACA. There are a handful of companies across the world, which are about, I think, 200 plus companies. And in Africa, we are the first company to be apprised at that Level 5. And as far as my knowledge goes, we are the only company in Africa. We became first Level 3 and then Level 4 and Level 5.
So what's the significance of this for the Kenyan entrepreneur?
Yeah. What happens is when you actually, in the technology space, we compete with local companies, we compete with regional companies, and we also compete with global companies. And when you compete with the global companies, usually the perception is that the companies and the products that we develop here not exactly as per the quality standards of the global standard. Now, to fight that perception, we need to send a very strong, credible signal to the market, to the industry. And that's one of the strongest credible signal is that you get apprised at Level 5, which means that the products and services that you deliver are at the highest quality, which are par with the global standards. Now, that actually puts us in a league of global competition, and that also helps the local technology industry to stand up and compete very effectively with the global companies. And obviously, we deliver value to our customers by delivering the quality products.
All right. And finally, of course, we have a number of regulatory changes in the country. We now have a data commissioner. I'd like to just get your thoughts. Would you say African governments have been able to regulate the technology space pretty well? Or are there still gaps, and which areas need to really get to be enhanced? In closing, in just under a minute.
Yeah, the efforts are great. The data security regulation especially gives comfort and confidence to the companies which wants to outsource the business process or business areas to Kenya. So that's definitely a step in a right direction. Having said that, across the world, it's just not here, across the world, the regulator always catches up with the technology industry. Yeah.
Interesting. Well, many thanks here for speaking to us, and quite some loaded future we have for the digital economy in Africa. Well, that's why we had to bring it to a close on the show. My name is Abegina, and stay on with us because we'll be giving you more updates as the hour goes on. Until next time, have a lovely afternoon.